I will visit my grandmother in the Fiji.
That sounds nice. How will you go there?
I will go by bus with my family.
When will you leave?
We will arrive on Saturday morning.
How long will you stay there?
We will stay for 2 days.
What will you do, Clark?
I will help my grandmother and play with my cousins.
Great, I hope you have fun.
Thank you. What about you?